logged into your HubSpot? Okay, right. Here's my HubSpot. And I'm going to share it with Zoom. Oh God, how do I do it? There we go. Ah, fuck's sake. Okay, so here we go. We're recording, Scott. So what we need to do is just get this in line with mine. Okay, so I've got a master copy that we're going to use. Right. I'm not sure if this is going to work. So I've got so many things open. There we go. Yeah. Right. Okay. So what you need to do this, and you bear this in mind as well, Scott. So I might need you to do this for new telesales. So that form is now linked to all the automation. So all I'm doing is just getting yours to mirror mine. Okay. So the first thing is CRF sheet. Find that. There it is. CRF sheet. Okay, and it's a bit awkward to drag it up. You have to kind of do it bit by bit, which is just ridiculous. But CRF sheet, okay, there, put it there. You see, has that dragged it up? No. See what I mean? You can't. You have to do it like don't try and scroll right up. You have to do it like that. Okay. Oh no. See, I've done it. Did it? That's yeah. No. CRF sheet like that. Ah. Yay. Right, CRC appointment was book on. Yeah, that's right. Then date booked. Don't need that anymore because that appointment was booked on. Does it? The next one is appointment time. So we'll just get them all so they're the same. Appointment time. Then number of employees. Just be careful because there's two. There's an employee amount which we no longer need, and then we've got number of employees because what I want to do is minimize the amount of manual input. Where possible, I want it to be just drop down menus. So it's less room for error because this feeds into the sheet, Scott, and then that sheet is then picked up by the automation, which sends the calendar invites. Yeah. It's kind of inevitable. Nothing will slip through now. So if you can't find it, so we're looking for number of employees. So if you can't find it there, what you need to do is go here and just check what's ticked and what's not, because this has all the fields. So we're looking for number of employees. So LMN, there we go, number of employees. See, it's not ticked. So add to your view, and then that will put that in that pile on the left. Yeah, and then put that up. This is how we should just do all, because we're writing operating procedures for everything. So instead of operating procedures, we should just use these. We'll do video tutorials for everything. We could do video tutorials for how to book an appointment. Remember that. It's like you get these ideas and you forget to make notes and they're forgotten forever. Okay, number of employees. It is quite frustrating having to do. Yeah, yeah, fine. Yeah, exactly. And like these video tutorials, if we do these and we can use them to train telesales then, and then they can refer to it. I'll tell you, it'll save them ringing you and taking up time. Turnover. Okay, we'll look at turnover there. And then CRF notes. Let me, let me see it. There we go. Yeah, yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so basically, you get the idea. We need to organise this in the same order. So we've got. I'm just talking to the tutorial, Scott. Don't worry, you carry on with your coffee. So we organise this, and then things that we don't need, we can exit it, so it's not then going to appear on the view on the form. And then if you can't find the field within this, then look on here, and then all you need to do is tick it and add it to your view, and then it'll appear on the left hand side. And we need to order it in a particular order. Um, and what we'll do next to this video, we'll save a screenshot of what the order is. Okay, right, we'll stop the